Good morning, friends. So, today again I came in front of all of you as usual. Today I brought a new story that is based on brave Shivaji, how he regained his older territory that was forcibly encroached by Mughal emperor, and how he shown his cleverness and get rid from the custody of Mughal emperor. I am going to narrate here through this little bit story. It was the year of 1666 and birthday of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb was upcoming. So this reason Aurangzeb had sent a invitation letter. In that letter he had mentioned that your and your son's presence in that birthday is compulsory. It was the it was the point of Aurangzeb mentioned in that letter. According to these sentences, the Shivaji gave an order to his son. He was barely 6 years old at that moment, and they started journey for the Maharashtra to Agra, and after 6 months traveling, he reached Agra, and the Aurangzeb had given guest house to Sambhaji and Shivaji. They started living there. Next morning happened, the Sambhaji and Shivaji went in court. Then the king of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb had made stand up behind the soldiers to Shivaji and Sambhaji. It was very insulting, it was very offending thing for any king. So this reason Shivaji got upset and said, "It is not any manner, it is not any fairly treatment for any king. I am going from here. I cannot celebrate, cannot participate in your birthday." Angrily, he ran from there, but Aurangzeb had given order to his soldiers, go and catch him and keep house arrest. It was sentence of that Mughal emperor, and according to this, soldiers followed it and kept in house arrest. It was unpurposely plan of that Mughal emperor. That's why he had invited to Shivaji as well as his son Sambhaji. It was unpurposely, deliberately planned to kill and extend the empire, his empire as well. That's why he had invited to both of them. It was the day passing, then an idea came in the mind of Shivaji, and he said to a soldiers, "Go and ask to your king that I wish to send sweet in the temple." Then soldiers went near the king and asked Shivaji want to send sweet to the temple. It was the sentence of soldiers for king, and king given permission for the sending sweets, and it was daily routine. Shivaji started sending the sweets day by day. He was sending. As the day was passing, the thoroughly checking of that sweets which was carrying by that soldiers that has loose, they were not thoroughly checking to that sweet, because as the day was passing they was also becoming lazy. So this reason checking of that sweets was not very perfectly every day. So it was the good planning of that Veer Shivaji, and he said to his son Sambhaji, "Come and sit in this basket and they will not check it, because many day has passed away and they has also became lazy. So this reason we can also escape from here, we can also run away from here. It is only one trick which is made by this clever Shivaji, and it is given success to that Shivaji as well, and he ran away from there because they had not checked to that basket. They had understood that in this basket only sweets is going as well today, because every day we had checked. So this reason today is also, so it is going, so no need of any check. When the when the soldiers reached in house where Shivaji was kept, they didn't get to Shivaji. Then Aurangzeb given order, your it is your any trick, your soldiers, it is your trick. So this reason your beheaded, your head will be beheaded, your head will be beheaded, I will cut your head, it's your mistake. So this reason punishment will be very big, it was sentence. But anyhow, Shivaji and Sambhaji, after changing his disguise, he reached Maharashtra anyhow and saved his life. And after that, he increased his army flock, because he knew that now this is the time I can attack on Agra and can take to that older territory which is mine. And according to this planning, he increased army flock and attacked Agra area and extended again his territory, regained his territory, extended his area. So this reason I narrated this story. He shown his cleverness, he shown his manner. That's why he ran away from there exactly. Otherwise, if he had not made this plan, then it was not possible, and they would kill by this anarchy emperor in Agra. So this reason, hope that you will try to understand that never come in lure, never come in any greed which is given by your emperor, which is given by your king, because they may be any trick, they may be any plan. So this reason, firstly think deeply about that, then go ahead for that work. Otherwise, a result will be very drastic, consequence of that will be very problematic, which done with this Shivaji and Sambhaji. But anyhow, he saved his life and returned back and extended again his territory and became Chhatrapati Shivaji. He coronated by the name of Chhatrapati Shivaji. The Maratha kingdom spread in many areas, in lot of areas. So this reason they had taken lot of name and fame by his bravery, by this bravery. Tomorrow again I will meet you with any new story. Till then, bye bye again.